Good morning, first day of April, and I'm ready to do my planning. I was planning to do it since early, but honestly, I woke up at 7 and I was so sleepy because I went to bed very, very late. So let's organize what I'm planning to do. So since I'm on vacation and I have these 2 days off, I will begin organizing what task I need. But what I will be doing here is different to what I will be doing here. It makes sense? Maybe, maybe not. I'm trying to organize like what I want to do on my sewing, on my garden, on my knitting, on my cleaning. But every day I will organize, like I will make my mind what time I want to go to do that activity. So let's mark the activities that I will be doing. One of the things that I need to do is my sewing, and I wanna use one of my stickers. I will mark here, yeah, why not, or here. We'll put in different situations. So this will be for the sewing. I need also my knitting. It will not be so much. I will use the small one. I also need to do my spring decoration. I have here my stickers for the monthly. I'm trying to see if they have something like painting eggs. Why not? I would not paint eggs, but we can use these as spring decoration. We'll put these ones here. Okay. I need my gardening. Do I have any gardening on the new stickers? I have this one. So I should take the monthly one so it makes easier. Yes, why not? So all these are from the month. So let's see, I have the gardening one. What I want to do, it's not a lot that I will be doing on the gardening because it's still too early. So we have those. House cleaning. House cleaning, I like maybe this one, the broom. We'll put this one here for house cleaning. Yeah, I think this would be good. And I like that I have a lot of the purple, so maybe we will go for purples. Do I have any purples on this one? Not really, but I will use lavender or purple just to mark my activity. So let me put what is each one of those. So we have all of those. I was thinking that here I need to put like to-dos. You always have things to do that are not like, oh, it's specific on something, like bring, just to give you an idea, I have to get one of my disinfecting towels to the bathroom and it's in the basement. Maybe, you know, little things. So to do, what color we will use? Do we have anything that say grocery list? No, my priority, must do. I think I will use maybe an icon too. Do we have anything that is like a to-do? Reminder will be just here. Okay, since I have this color that I decided that I will use, I like just to make this like a little more fun. I go to the color that I think is closer to what I'm looking for. And I will only do until there, because I don't know if I will do other stuff there. So today I'm doing just funny stuff, you know, on my planner. I'm not going like crazy here. So that's simple things that I did. What do we do here? Should we do priority or fitness? I don't feel like doing a lot of fitness, but I will put my priorities. That will be this day. My priority will be, of course, water, relax, and we will think what else. So for the water, I like to mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There. We'll do a little more darker. There. Perfect. I don't know if I will do the same in the other day. So far we got this organized and what I need to, the areas that I wanna have. So now I will fill the information with everything that will go on those areas. And here we have everything organized with some of the tasks that I need to do. That doesn't mean that it's all that I have to do. I put water and then I'm like, wait, I'm going to use this one. It's my new one. But it's still, I will leave there. I will mark. I only add that to call my mom. I called it yesterday, but we couldn't talk too much. So today is actually my cousin's birthday. And I forgot to put here. There is. So I don't forget. So now we have everything organized of activities that I want to do. I am trying to have this done on these 2 days. Maybe not all complete on this one, but at least part of this will be done. The same with the decor, is not like something really crazy. Now I will go to my day. Of course, I'm getting a little late now. And what I did, I have my coffee. And while I'm having my coffee, I was relaxing, playing computer games. So maybe I will just spoil myself a little more there. What time is it? Okay, 8:30. I will be a bad girl and I will go until 11. I think just relaxing, and I have a little sticker for my computer game here. Maybe it's not too little. Yeah, it's not too little, but I will put there. So that's what is going on there. And then I need, oh, that's the other thing that I wanted to add, the laundry. Let's put a laundry sticker. I'm using these ones. It will be kind of cute to have these two together. So oh, come on. There it is. It looks good. So now I will put like kind of like going like this, and I will put my laundry task. So we have whites, color, darks, delicate, and blanket. Before I keep going, let me see what it says. Paper's full and nothing else important going on there. I don't think so. I have to April mortgage, okay, and nothing on the first week, so I should put a little sticker But I don't think I'm paying today the mortgage. I didn't get the paper. Anyway, so we have this. What we can be doing also while I'm doing this is part of the laundry. Okay, so let's put the pink, and we'll put this one from here. And since it takes usually a lot of time, I will say that until 3 we are doing the laundry. So we will see what else will be going on this time. For now we are in this area, so I will not worry about later until I make my mind. Like I say, I want to just be myself and enjoy. I don't want to be running. I have 2 days to do some of these, and now of course I need to fill my water and drink. It's 9 and already behind. So what I will do is like keep this page here, so while I'm drinking my water and doing things, I only need to turn the page and mark. Today I will be kind of marking there, so steps, I don't think a lot of steps will happen today. So let's begin this and see how we go with this. First I will go to get more coffee and play more computer games. Invite you there? Who invite you there?
here in front of me, and this